as someone who is between lots of worlds and kind of, raised in a Pākeha and a Samoan world, I guess I'm interested in looking at those intersections of what does it mean to be a disabled person, and then where can I find those ideas of disability in Samoan culture. And so we have this concept of the wā, which is in between space and looking at the relationships that are happening across time and space. And then I love thinking about crip time, which is a disability concept that's thinking about time in this non-linear way. And so I love thinking about where these kind of meet in a theatre space, in a dance space, in poetry, across technology. I really love looking at the keyboard as a space that holds crip time and the wā, because on the keyboard you can find the marks of the malu. As a disabled person, I use the keyboard a lot to travel across time and space, and so thinking about the internet as this place that we can travel from. So in my work, I'm always finding these intersecting spaces and then using them to create new work, or thinking about the choreography or language of this to make a new performance work or a new poetry piece. But often they're kind of many mediums. Is it a piece of choreography? Is it a poem? Why can't it be all of those things? Some of the things I want to present at FestPAC is obviously a video work that I've made in the past, but also I think I want to have kōrero or talanoa with people in Hawaii, other artists that are potentially from the disabled community, but also tangata moana. I'm really interested in looking at where disability has always been in kind of pre-colonial times, and so I'm excited if there's any kōrero that could be held or shared. And growing up, I did Pacific Studies at uni, and we talked a lot about Hawaii being this like tether or this place for all of us. So I'm really excited to go to Hawaii and experience being with people from Moana Nui a Kiva. As someone who's just come home during COVID, it's really exciting to be part of the delegation and be representing Aotearoa. As someone who's lived overseas for a long time, it's really exciting to be recognised at home and then to be able to take this knowledge and this kōrero across to a new place and get to talk about it with others.